On day 10 of the Daniel's fast, I enjoyed these delicious banana pancakes with just 3 main ingredients. In a 14-cup capacity coffee grinder, we're going to grind up 1 1/4 cup of quick oats. In a small mixing bowl, we're going to mash up 2 ripe bananas. The riper, the better. For a more sweeter pancake, you're welcome to add date syrup to it. The link for my date syrup recipe will be found in the description box. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of the quick oats that we grinded up earlier, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, followed by 1 cup of almond coconut milk. This is where I added the 1/4 cup of quick oats flour to thicken up the batter. Now we're going to add in our mashed bananas. To a skillet on medium heat, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of quality oil. Today I use canola oil. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of the batter. If you would like a smaller pancake, you're welcome to add 1/4 cup at a time. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip our pancakes, and then we're going to cook them for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, banana pancakes. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. By faith, Abraham at the time of testing offered Isaac back to God. Acting in faith, he was as ready to return the promised son, his only son, as he had been to receive him, and this after he had already been told, "Your descendants shall come from Isaac." Abraham figured that if God wanted to, he could raise the dead. In a sense, that is what happened when he received Isaac back alive from off the altar. Hebrews 11, verse 17 to 19.